guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. If you guys are new around here, hey, hello, and welcome. We're SplatterBox Art. Our goal is to bring fun painting lessons to you at home. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you're reminded when our videos go live. I'm so excited to be painting this cotton candy skies palm tree painting with you today. It's going to be super easy and fun, so let's get started. The first thing I'd like you to do is water down your blue just a little bit and follow along. Remember, all I'm doing is dabbing my brush up and down. You can do the same. Alright, time to speed this up. Don't forget you can pause, rewind, just have fun with it, guys. The more fun, the more layers, the fluffier our cotton candy sky will become. Here we go! I just wanted to mention, if any of the areas are too bright and not pastel enough, go back on top with white or even grab a different color to blend it in on top. You can keep layering as much as you want. Now it's time for our palm trees. Follow along the best you can. I was always taught for a great composition to always have odds. That's why we have 5 palm trees. Okay, let's loosely add on where our palm fronds will go. Almost so it's looking like a star shape in a way. I don't know. A pom-pom? Anyway, do that for the rest of the 4, and I'll show you how to paint on our leaves. Let's start off by painting on our trunk of our tree. We're going to make it a little thicker at the top, get skinnier, and bring it back out once you get to the end of the paper. It's thicker up top because that's where the husk is and where the coconuts live, so we want to make sure we're showing that as well. I'm going to zoom it in so that you can see exactly how to paint one of the leaves. Do you see how my lines are getting longer as I work my way to the base of the frond? Now, just reverse exactly what you did on the other side. Great job! And remember, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell if you're enjoying our videos. Alright, I have a fun fact coming up for you in just a little bit about palm trees. I can't wait to share it with you. Did you know the largest seed of any plant in the world is made by a palm tree? The seeds of the Coco de Mer palm tree are huge. They can weigh over 60 pounds and be up to 20 inches in diameter. Just to put it in perspective, a basketball is about half the size. Ouch! Can you imagine one of those seeds falling on your head? Awesome job with those palm trees. Now I just want to fix up our sky really quick. We're almost done. Well, there you have it, guys, our awesome cotton candy sky with our palm trees. It came out so cool. I really love it. I hope you guys had fun. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. See you next time. Bye!